What's the difference between management and coaching? Let's get into it. So this is a great question and very important in your coaching relationship with people, because often there's a misunderstanding between what people's expectations are around you managing or coaching them. I'd like to offer you one view. There's lots of different approaches. This is the approach I've used to keep myself straight and effective with others and with the teams I lead. I'd like you to think about coaching as people. And I'd like you to think about managing as things. Coaching people, managing things. So I coach people, right? That's what I do. I'm a coach and I coach people. I coach, I develop, I mentor, we talk, we look at what's working, we look at what could be improved, right? And we're always standing in the accomplishment of the goal that we have together. That's clear. That's coaching. Managing is I'm managing things. So for the most part, when people talk about managing, they're talking about things like I manage my diet, I manage my finances, I manage my car maintenance. In business, we manage a profit and loss statement, right? We manage the operations of the business. We manage the ordering and inventories. We manage our sales database, right? That is management. The one common denominator of coaching is people. The one common denominator of management is things. Now, sometimes we say, I manage people, and that's fine. However, people don't like to be managed. In my experience, especially of entrepreneurial, high-performing organizations, you don't have a lot of people who need to be managed. If you do, that's a coaching conversation, because you want people to be independently responsible for the success of their department, their role, their accountability in the larger context of the company. I don't want to manage people. I want to coach people so that they understand their role, they understand their importance, and that they're trained very well to execute. And then there is the management of the results. There's the management of perhaps the scoreboard, so to speak. Do we need to manage more activity? Do we need to have more sales calls? Do we need to have more customer touch points? Do we need to deal with breakdowns in the customer service cycle? I will manage those things. I will develop people. I will coach people to manage those things. Okay. And I will manage the finances of the organization. Very important. So management and coaching, one's not better than the other. Great leaders know how to both be a manager and a coach. And in my experience, they're clear that coaching has everything to do with people and management has everything to do with things. My invitation is for you to try this out with your team and see if you can see the difference. People love to be coached. People love to be mentored. People love to be developed. People do not like to be managed. See if you can find the right balance for you.